the Suburbs.
Same old boring Sunday morning, old man's out, washing the car. Mum's in the kitchen cooking Sunday dinner, her best meal, moaning while it's last. And Johnny is upstairs in his bedroom, sitting in the dark, annoying the neighbours with his punk rock electric guitar. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, Heathrow jets go crashing on the road. 10 o'clock, Broadmoor siren, driving me mad, won't leave me alone. Johnny stands there at his window looking at the night. I said, hey, what you listening to? There's nothing there. That's right. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. You've got rubies, I wanna be free. Now they want anarchy. Play too fast, play out of tune. Break it in a single bedroom. Drums quite good, the bass is too loud, and I can't hear the words. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs.
Sound of the Suburbs, the only record